Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel where we provide you entertaining and instructive stuff. Today's topic is one that will spark your interest. Cultivating lemon at home. Growing lemons may be a joyful and soothing experience whether you have a huge backyard or a luxury balcony. Join us as we delve into the world of lemon gardening and discover how you can get the advantages of homegrown lemons right on your doorstep. Number 1. Setting the stage. Before we embark on your lemon growing journey, let's gather all the essential tools that materials. Grab your gardening gloves, a sturdy pot, nutrient-rich soil, lemon seeds, or a small lemon tree, and let's get started. Number 2. Choosing the right variety. Did you know that there are various lemon varieties to choose from? From the classic Eureka lemon to the aromatic Meyer lemon, each variety brings its unique characteristic to the table. We shall guide you through selecting the perfect lemon variety based on your preferences and climate conditions. Number 3. Preparing the soil. It is critical for the growth and productivity of your lemon tree to provide a good environment for it. We shall teach you how to improve the soil drainage, pH balance, and nutrient content. You shall also discover how organic fertilizers might help your lemon tree in the long term. Number 4. Planting and care. It is critical for the growth and productivity of your lemon tree to provide a good environment for it. We shall teach you how to improve the snow comes the exciting part. Planting your lemon tree, we shall demonstrating the step-by-step process of sowing lemon seeds to transplanting a small lemon tree into a pot. Additionally, we shall provide valuable tips on watering, sunlight requirements, pruning and pest control so you can keep your lemon tree healthy and thriving. Oils drainage, pH balance and nutrients content. You shall discover how organic fertilizers might help your lemon tree in the long term. Number 5. Nurturing your lemon tree. As your lemon tree grows, it's essential to nurture it with love and care. We shall delve into the importance of regular watering schedules, the art of fertilizing, and the significance of proper pruning techniques. By following these practices, you shall maximize your lemon tree's potential and be rewarded with a bountiful harvest. Number 6. Harvesting and enjoying. After patiently waiting for your lemon tree to bear fruit, the time for harvesting finally arrives. We shall guide you on when and how to pick your lemons, ensuring they are ripe and ready for consumption. You shall also discover delightful recipes and refreshing drink ideas to make the most of your homegrown lemons. Your complete home lemon gardening guide. This video should motivate you to cultivate lemons. With some efforts and knowledge, you can turn your home into a lemon paradise. If you like this video and learned about lemon growing, please like and share it. Subscribe for more gardening advice. As always, leave comments and questions below. Happy lemon gardening!